Hey, welcome to the show. If you are looking for a compact tripod, maybe for traveling or putting in your backpack, your briefcase, or keeping in your home studio, then check this out. This is the Neewer TP35, and it has some awesome features. It does include a wireless shutter remote that you can use with your camera, which is great if you're going to be doing stop frame animation. It also includes an attachment that you can attach your GoPro to it. And let's take a look at the head right here. This is really cool. If you hit this little button right here, bring that forward, that'll bring up this part here, and then you can attach your phone. Now this will extend out to, they say about 3.5. I would probably say 3.25 might be a little bit more of a safe range. It does have a really strong spring to it, and these parts kind of curve, kind of a little bit an angle there. So probably a bigger phone, I'm not sure how it would work with, but you know, like your iPhones, I'm sure it's going to work great with that. Also, if you take a look at this, you can just, if you got a regular camera, you can go ahead and screw that in right here in the bottom. So here I'm putting my Sony camera on here, and I'm just tightening it down right there, and here's that little clip, and then I just fold it in, and now I can just push this down, and boom, I'm all ready to start taking photos. Here is the head right here, and you notice that I can loosen that up, and I can just bring that even down on an angle. Take a look at the legs on this tripod. All right, now watch this. Boom. I can fold those. No, I didn't break them. I can fold those to different positions. So this is great. Like I said, I like doing stop frame animation, and I can set that up on the table like that. If I'm using a GoPro, I can wrap this around a bar, or maybe attach it to my deer stand. So the whole tripod is very light. This is a kind of a rubber texture. It's kind of nice grip. It's a non-slip grip. So if I want to just hold the camera like that, I can. After you take your camera off there, and if you want to set up your phone, just take the sides right out here, pop them out, and then you are set to put your phone in there. Like I said, super easy to work with this. So many different uses. I love the flexibility of these legs right here. Just so many different angles that you could set this at. This is great. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Make sure you check out my other videos on here. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Goodbye.